What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, back again with C-Dubs. We got another Call of Duty Modern Warfare execution breakdown for you guys. This one we're looking at Domino. She uses the knife to take down her enemy. So let's check out what moves she does in this execution. Alright, so you saw that from the gameplay. Domino is behind the opponent. When I first looked at this move, it looked like the opponent didn't know she was there when she got that first thrust in. But if you look closely in slow motion, the opponent actually does turn his head, and then she gets that first thrust in right there to the armpit. So the first thrust is under the body armor in a weak point right to the armpit, and she connects right there with the knife. Then from there, she goes for a horizontal thrust on the high line, looking for the neck, maybe the eyes, face area. The opponent captures the arm here and stops that strike from coming through. Now Domino counters by grabbing the arm, turning it over, and then she slashes the arm right here. After that slash to the arm, she goes for the same two thrusts as she does in the beginning and actually gets them as well. Now that she's put the enemy in a vulnerable position, she goes under the body armor again to the armpit and then to the neckline there with that horizontal thrust to finish him off. A couple things that we actually liked about this choreography. One thing that I liked at the beginning right away is that she gets that armpit right there, weak spot, body armor. If anybody has a Kevlar vest on or any body armor on, even in the medieval days, this was a weak point. You can't really have any arm mobility if this is all covered up. So that's the weak point. Another thing that we liked is that she actually transfers to the other side of the opponent after this grab. So she hits one side, that side's weakened already. Now that he's got the grab, she counters and attacks the other side as well. Nice little detail there. All right, so there you have it for this Call of Duty Modern Warfare execution from Domino, okay, with the knife. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave a like down below. Give Chris a thumbs up for all the great drills that he comes up with. And be sure to comment down below which moves you guys want to see from different video games. I know you guys give me all these comments and requests. I try to get to them as soon as I can, so thank you for your patience. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those videos when they come out. And as always, game on, stay fit, and keep on training. We'll see you guys in the next video with the Gun Team.